Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix PUBG blind spot game not launching, not opening, lagging, crashing, stuck on loading screen, freezing, black screen or other issues on PC. So let's jump to the solutions. So the very first method is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now under general here, you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to resolve the problem. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to run game as administrator. For that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and here you have to click on browse. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here is the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here you have to select run this program as an administrator, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If not, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search for Windows security, click on firewall network protection, allow an app through firewall, change settings, and here you have to search for the game if it's listed. If you cannot find it, click on allow another app. Now click on browse. After that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application, add it to the list. After that, select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Once you have done this, launch the game and check. If not, next method is to disable in-game overlays. For that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game, and here you have to click on enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable it, now launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, and here switch off in-game overlay options from here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay option. This method is to update graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapters. Select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can update your graphics card from there. Next is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So simply click on it and wait for some time. After verifying the game files, launch the game and check. If not, next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for check for updates. Here you have to click on check for updates option and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and then launch the game and check. If not, next method is to clear download cache. So for that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. Now click on downloads, go below, click on clear cache. Beside clear download cache, this will state that it will clear a local download cache and restart Steam. You will need to log into Steam again. You just have to confirm it. After you confirm it, now log into Steam once again using your username and password, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, next is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the Windows search for task manager. Here under the process tab, you have to search or check for those apps which are off running in the background without any use. Simply select it, right click on it, click on end a task. After that, try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to install Visual C++ files. I have already given this link in the description. Just copy and paste in your browser. After the website opens, click on the link to download. Once the file is downloaded, you have to open it and you will get repair or install option. Click on it, wait for some time. Once it is processed, now restart your PC, and after that, once your PC restarts, click on the play button to check whether the game is opening or not. If not, next is to disable antivirus software. So if your or if your system has any kind of antivirus software installed, you are suggested to disable them. After disabling it, try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows, search over here, now search for graphics settings. Here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed. The game application for the game folder, open it and select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after that, click on the arrow icon. Under the GPU preference, you have to select high performance. Once you have done this, launch the game and check. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall PUBG BLINDSPOT game. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. Once you have done this, the game will be removed from your PC. After that, restart your PC and then again launch Steam and reinstall PUBG BLINDSPOT game, and finally click on the play button to check whether it's opening or not. So these are few solutions that will surely help to fix PUBG BLINDSPOT game crashing or stuck on loading screen, not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, black screen, or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.